Hello, I'm going to talk about birds, and this is my bird, Pepsi, and she likes chewing things. That was her squeaking, and she's a cockatiel, and she has orange Fanta cheeks, and we were about to call her Fanta, but we called her Pepsi. We named her in a pizza shop. And we got her wings clipped today. And she's nearly 1. And she's scared of lots of things. And she watches the birds out on the veranda. And she's just chewing my bracelet at the moment. And she can fly very high, like she flied nearly to the top of the house today, and we couldn't really get her down. And she is a girl, and her nails hurt lots on your hand. Thank you for watching my show. Bye.